Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare IntelliJ versus Visual Studio Code. IntelliJ IDEA is a full-fledged integrated development environment, often the go-to choice for robust Java and JVM language projects, offering deep code understanding. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is a lightweight yet powerful code editor, highly adaptable through its vast extension marketplace. Your decision often hinges on whether you need an all-encompassing IDE or a flexible, fast editor for diverse programming tasks, considering project scale and specific language requirements. IntelliJ provides advanced refactoring, sophisticated code analysis, and powerful debugging tools right out of the box, making complex tasks simpler. Visual Studio Code shines with its extensive marketplace, offering thousands of extensions to customize nearly any workflow or language. Regarding performance, IntelliJ typically uses more system resources due to its comprehensive features, while Visual Studio Code is celebrated for its quick startup and lighter footprint, often consuming less than 100 megabytes of RAM for basic editing. IntelliJ offers unparalleled, integrated support for Java, Kotlin, and other JVM languages, with excellent framework integration for enterprise-level applications. Visual Studio Code provides strong, community-driven support for JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C++, and many others, primarily through its rich extension ecosystem. While IntelliJ's environment is tightly cohesive for its target languages, Visual Studio Code's open-source nature fosters a massive, diverse community, constantly expanding its capabilities across numerous programming paradigms. IntelliJ IDEA offers a free community edition, suitable for many developers, alongside a paid Ultimate Edition packed with advanced features for professional use. Visual Studio Code is completely free and open source, developed by Microsoft, making it accessible to everyone. Both platforms boast large, active communities providing extensive documentation, tutorials, and support. Ultimately, the choice often comes down to your budget, the specific needs of your project, and your preferred development philosophy, whether an all-in-one solution or a highly customizable editor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.